In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a table of contents macro to a Confluence page. By the end of this video, you'll know how to insert the macro so readers can quickly navigate long pages using automatically generated headings. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to add the table of contents and click Edit. You can also press E on your keyboard to enter editing mode. Place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear, then type Table of Contents and select the Table of Contents macro from the list. Confluence will insert the macro at that location. You can also click the Insert or plus button in the editor toolbar, search for Table of Contents and select the macro to add it to your page. If you're using the legacy editor, click Insert, choose Other Macros, search for Table of Contents and insert it into the page. After inserting the macro, you can adjust its settings such as the heading levels it includes or its display style if needed. When you're finished, click Publish. Confluence will automatically generate a clickable table of contents based on the headings in your page, making it easier for readers to jump to different sections. That's all there is to adding a table of contents macro in Confluence. Thanks for watching.